In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate EBT card on California. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Activating your EBT card on the state of California is extremely simple. For this video, I'm gonna go over the process of what to do after you have received your card. So if you still haven't acquired the Cash Assistant EBT card, go through the process and make sure that you receive it. It can be quite lengthy, so just follow the steps, and after you receive your card, you will be able to call the number at the back to start the activation process. So to activate your card, turn your EBT card around and you will find a number that starts with 1877. Usually this number is going to be 1877 328 9677. This is where you will be able to contact them and start the activation process. So call the number that I just listed, 877-328-9677, or the number at the back of your card, and select one of the available languages to continue. Now you will have to enter your 16-digit EBT card number. So on the front of the card you will be able to find the number. You might also have to include your zip code and your date of birth depending on the specific type of card that you have, but the bare minimum is that you include the EBT card number. And once this is done, you will be able to create your PIN. So the PIN is going to be a 4-digit code that you will use every time that you receive the benefits and you try to use your EBT card. Once this is done, the EBT card will be ready to use and properly activated. So all that you have to do is call the number that I listed, 877-328-9677, create your PIN, list the full card digit number, and you will be able to get it working. If you have a different sort of card like the PEBT card, you might have to go through additional steps, but you should still call this number to get it started. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate EBT card on California. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.